You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more Italian names, food names, dish names from Italy that we love, but that many confuse, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Now in English, those are generally called tagliatelle, but in Italian, this is to be said as tagliatelle. Yeah, sounds better, doesn't it? Tagliatelle. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.